Hello and welcome to free.net tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video we will see C#.net parameters. What are C#.net parameters and with an examples. In our C#.net we have four different parameters like value type parameters, reference parameters, out type parameters, params type parameters. In this video we will see an example of what is a value type parameters. Let's take before going to for example, let's see what is a value type parameters. Using this type parameters we can send actual parameter value to formal parameter. You see here like functions, methods, like there will be a calling function and there will be a called function, that we all know that. Okay, in calling function we will give actual parameters, whereas in formal parameters are in called function. So whatever the changes for the formal parameters does, it won't affect to the parameter, I mean like actual parameter in our value type parameters. Okay, let's go and create a new project to see an example of value type parameters. So let's create a new project here, a Windows form application. Press OK and you see a form here, need form. So you drag and drop a button and double click on your button. You see a button click event. Now you just open a new class here, like name your class as value demo and create in a method like public void swap. I want to swap two numbers here. This is our call function. So here we will have formal parameters like int a comma int b. We need two numbers to swap, so let's swap our two integers. To swap our integers we need a temporary variable, and I think everyone know how to swap two numbers, right? Okay, let's do this and b equal to c. So to what I will do, I will display our output in a message box show as like a equal to plus a dot toString plus b equal to plus b dot toString. Okay, so I'm done with it, and let's go to our button click. When I click on button I need to call this method. So let's create an object using this as like value demo, like a object equal to new value demo. Okay, I create an object. Using that object I want to call that swap method. So for this swap method we need two arguments here, like let's take int x or x equal to 10 comma y equal to 20. Okay, what I do is I just pass x and y here from this. So I just display the same thing here. I'll use message box to display our form, I mean our actual parameters after our function called, to show that there's no effect in our actual parameters. See, when I click on button we are calling our swap method from here, and you see a public void swap here, and after your operation like swap operation, your a and b are changed, but whatever the actual parameters it won't change. Let's run our program and you see a button button here, you just click on it, you see our A. Previously what I did, I just gave 10 and 20. When it is here, it is in 10 and 20, and it changes to 20 and 10. I swapped, and when I click here, you see our actual parameters. Okay, that's it. The example on our value type parameters, we used actual parameters that doesn't change when our formal parameters change. Okay, and thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video, the remaining 3 parameters. Bye bye.